Xiaomi has officially announced the Mi Watch today, at an event in Beijing, China. This marks the first true smartwatch from the company, after launching 4 successive generations of the fitness-centric Mi Band series since 2014. Xiaomi has shamelessly copied the Apple Watch for the Mi Watch's design, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. Now that we have established that the Mi Watch design isn't original, let's take a closer look at its body. The smartwatch comes with a square touchscreen display that's protected by sapphire glass. The watch features a 1.78-inch AMOLED curved display with 326 ppi. The back of the watch is made out of ceramic. There is a crown on the right that can be used to navigate through the watch UI. Apart from the crown, there's a multi-purpose button, as well as a microphone on the right side. On the left, you have another microphone hole, along with a speaker vent. The Mi Watch features an aluminum alloy body, with a matte finish, but it has sharper curves than the Apple Watch. At the bottom, you'll see the pins for the charging dock, and the heart rate monitor. Inside, the Xiaomi Mi Watch comes with the Snapdragon Wear 3104G chipset, featuring 4 Cortex-A7 cores, clocked at 1.2 GHz. The company is calling it the first wearable with Snapdragon 3104G. The Xiaomi smartwatch will be loaded with features such as NFC, Bluetooth 4.2, Wi-Fi, GPS, an independent vibration motor, and a pretty large speaker. Just like the top-end smartwatches of 2019, the Mi Watch also supports eSIM, which ensures you can connect to the internet with cellular network, as well as make and receive calls independently. In a surprise move, Xiaomi is adopting Google Wear OS platform for its new smartwatch. However, like its smartphones, the Wear OS running on the Xiaomi Watch will be customized with its own MIUI for watch skin. The company will offer a number of interesting watch faces for the watch. It also, unsurprisingly, comes integrated with Xiaomi's own Xiao AI assistant. Apart from the usual fitness-centric features found on a wearable, Xiaomi smartwatch supports heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen sensor, sleep monitoring, and body energy monitoring. In one of the marketing videos, Xiaomi confirmed that the Mi Watch is safe for swimming as well. The Xiaomi Mi Watch is priced at $185 in China. The watch is up for reservations from November 5th, and will go on sale in November 11th in China. So guys, what do you think about this smartwatch? Share your opinion down below.